Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to disable notification setting in World of Tanks Blitz. So in order to do that, first of all open up your World of Tanks Blitz game on your device, and from the home section click on the gear icon at the bottom left. This will open up the general tab. Go to the top right section and click on other. And then, from the Others tab, look for a push notification. Tap the button where it says Disabled in order to turn off push notification setting from the game. Right after you do that, you will not receive any notifications from the game whatsoever. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable notification on World of Tanks Blitz. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.